In the last video, we saw how patients can fill questionnaire at the PROM website, and in this video we will see how doctors and nurses can see the answers provided by the patients in a better manner. So this website remains the same. You have to log in as in your account, and if you go to the dashboards, you will be able to see the dashboards which have been prepared for this. Let's go to the Propara Pro results dashboard. This opens up in a new page where we can now select the patient. So we had the test patient enter the data. If you select the number, automatically the test patient will be selected. Click on apply, and you will be able to see all the important symptoms that the patient had, which were moderate to severe in this visit and in the previous visit. Each of these symptoms comes with a set of guidance. So for example, anorexia, what are the associated evaluations and investigations that need to be done, as well as certain aspects regarding the management guidance. The table below shows the scores in context to the other scores. So the topmost scores are the new scores, while the bottommost are the lower ones. And in this way, you can navigate through all the symptom domains that are included in the URTC QLQ C30 and CX34 questionnaire.